Common problems with the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150, what to watch out for. The Ford F-Series has dominated the pickup market for decades, with the F-150 being a staple for over 50 years. As it entered its 14th generation in 2021, many potential buyers are considering late-model used F-150s, specifically the 13th generation 2015 to 2020. Here's a look at some common issues you might encounter. The 13th generation Ford F-150 was the first to feature an entirely aluminum body, making it lighter and at least as strong as steel, which improved fuel economy and towing capacity. Initial concerns about the durability and repair costs of the aluminum body have proven unfounded over time, with no significant complaints. Additionally, the aluminum body eliminates worries about rust. One of the more frequent issues involves the electronic throttle bodies, which can fail and cause sudden power loss or put the truck into limp mode. This problem can often be temporarily fixed by turning the truck off and on again, but replacing the throttle body is recommended. Some owners of the 3.5-litre EcoBoost and 5.0-litre V8 engines have reported issues with the cam phasers, part of the variable valve timing system. Symptoms include a loud, rough idle, particularly during cold starts. Ford has issued warranty extensions and service bulletins for these parts. Higher trim level F-150s have occasionally had issues with seat ventilation, where the seat bottom is cooled but the backrest becomes warmer. This is often due to a disconnected duct inside the seat, which can be a simple fix. Ford's two-piece lug nuts with a chrome cap over the inner nut have been known to corrode, particularly in salt belt states. This can make it difficult to remove the lug nuts during service. Replacing them with a one-piece design is a common solution. Some V6 transmissions may suffer from stiff or hard shifting, often due to a clogged transmission filter. Using high-quality OEM transmission fluid can help prevent this issue. Under high pressure, flywheel bolts can sometimes unscrew or break. While difficult to inspect, this should be considered if experiencing flywheel-related issues. The compact design of the VR6 engine can exacerbate cooling system issues, making the engine more prone to overheating. Regular maintenance of the cooling system, including frequent fluid replacements, is crucial. (2014 to 2017) F-150s with the 5L EcoBoost V6, brake master cylinder leaks causing braking problems. 2015 to 2019 F-150s with a block heater, corrosion and damage from water and contaminants entering the block heater connection. 2015 to 2018 F-150s, seatbelt pre-tensioner issue requiring heat-resistant tape. 2015 to 2017 F-150s, faulty door latch cables or freezing, causing doors to open while driving. 2018 F-150s with 10-speed automatic transmission, gear shift cable clip not properly seated, leading to gear mismatch. Despite being one of the best-selling trucks, the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 has relatively few common issues. Regular maintenance and attention to potential problem areas can help ensure these trucks continue to perform reliably. Whether you're shopping for or already own a 13th generation F-150, being aware of these issues can help you keep your vehicle in top condition.